Hello, how to fix error, runtime error 424 object required when programming using Excel VBA, Visual Basic Applications. Follow me in this video to know how to do this. Subscribe to the channel to reach every important videos we upload, and press like and share the video if you like it. Let's go now in Excel. This is an Excel sheet. If we'd like to open the coding window, we press Alt and F11. When pressing Alt F11, it will open this code, and then if there is a software password, you should enter the password for coding or password for the Excel sheet. You should enter it. So when I run this code, execute and run it, I found this error, runtime error 424. This is a famous error. It tells that object required, and this when we are programming using Microsoft Visual Basic for application VBA. So I tried to solve the problem, and I found the problem here, the object oriented here. This is the function which brings the months and put in the variable current month. So I declare this variable as integer, okay, and I will use this variable as index for the array to select the 1 month from the 12 months during the year. So the problem, this code, this function is a Visual Basic function, but actually we are here programming using VBA, Visual Basic for application, not direct Visual Basic, okay, or Visual Basic 6 or Visual Basic.net. So this function is not correct here. So we have to comment it, and the correct one for VBA is the upper one. So when I just now put it as the comment and then run. So there is any no problem, but run here because subscribe out of range. Okay, so the problem here, to solve this problem, we have to put the upper one, this for Visual Basic A, and run. It will be run. Enter your password. I will enter the password here. The password. Now it's working good and no problem here. Okay. If you have any question, write it, and I will try to answer you directly as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.